Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from Arrtx.com. Today I'm going to have another go at making a card from the Crafter's Companion layout collection. I thought I'd try this cute little birdhouse one. It doesn't look too complicated, so hopefully I'll be able to manage it. And here are the supplies that I'll be needing. This beautiful pink paper with flowers on, I think that's really nice. That's for the heart. A really pretty green paper. That's for the strip along the bottom and the edge die, and the orange one to go with the edge die as well. I'll be using the hello stamp as well as the bird table stamp, and I'll be colouring with my alcohol markers. I haven't used my tricolour pens for a while, so I thought I would give these another go, just to see if I can get a nice blended effect on the birdhouse. I'll also be using this heart die for one of the decorations. As I turn the card over with the instructions on, I see first I have to stamp the birdhouse on the front of a card panel and then colour it in, so I'll do that now. I'd actually forgotten to cut my card and the panels down, so I did that off camera. I'm going to use my Tim Holtz stamping platform just to make sure I get a nice crisp image, and I'm going to use my Versafine ink Onyx black. It's a pigment ink, so it should be okay to use with my alcohol markers. It's been a while since I've done some colour blending, so let's hope I do it okay and don't go out of the edges this time. But I'm quite looking forward to this. I find colouring quite therapeutic, so let's just see how we go on. I couldn't find the exact colours, so I just found some that I thought were close enough just to see what it looked like. And that's done. I'm actually quite pleased with the way that turned out. I think it looks quite nice. The only thing is I've got that black mark at the top. I have no idea how that got there. But never mind. Let's just carry on with the rest of the card. And now I have to add here that front panel onto a black matte layer. Now I'm going to have to find some border dies to cut two strips to go down the right hand side of the card. I was very happy when I came across this. I'd forgotten I had it. It actually cuts out lots of shapes at once in different sizes, so it was absolutely perfect. So I used the die to cut out the strips. Even though they are different to the original card instructions, I don't think it really matters, does it? I also cut out two of the little tag dies as well, which I'd actually forgotten about, so that's done now. I'm going to use my T-ruler to place the two strips, just to make sure I get it straight, because I won't be able to do that otherwise. So now I need to cut a green strip to go across the bottom of the card. That will hold the heart and the sentiment. Before I do anything else, I need to stick the topper onto the card base because that strip at the bottom has to go right across the width of the card. Now I just need to cut out the heart and the sentiment and stick them down using foam just to give them a bit of dimension. Yes, not too bad, although I do feel that with practice I could obviously make a better job of it. And I have made a few mistakes on it. There's a black splodge at the top and some of the card is scraped off on the green. But I do think it looks nice. The heart, I think I cut out the wrong size heart. It should have been the larger one, but never mind. There's just a few more bits need finishing off. A little bit to trim there that I missed off before. But I do know somebody who would like this card, so I'm going to give it to them. But I do like the idea of having the recipe or the instructions to follow when making a card. It's great for me. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell just to make sure you get notified of any new videos. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.